Hey, Eric from Legend Suspensions here. We've got our 2018 Fat Bob with the Legends suspensions, as well as parts from our Performance Tour partners, fueling, performance, and also Bassani exhaust. Starting in the front of the bike, we've got our AXO 43mm inverted cartridge system, designed to replace all the factory internals on the front fork, which is going to give you a better ride quality due to being preload adjustable for rider weight rather than it being a one-size-fits-all. As well as improved comfort, you're also going to have a reduction notice a reduction in brake dive, better high-speed handling characteristics as well as low-speed handling characteristics, and also a reduced bottoming effect on those big bumps. Moving to this engine, this is the stock 114 cubic inch M8 from Harley Davidson with components from fueling. It has the Reaper 465 cam chest and the Race Series oil pump, as well as their lifters, push rods, and rocker studs. Air is flown into the engine through the K&N intake and dumped out through the Bassani Road Rage 3 exhaust. Bike runs really well. It has been dyno tuned and makes about 128 foot-pounds of torque and 114 horsepower. So the components that fueling and Bassani produce really help enhance the overall power delivery of this engine. As far as the magic in the back, we've got our Air A mono rear suspension that replaces the stock spring style shock that Harley Davidson puts on the bike. A couple of the big advantages of this system is not only are we allowing you the on-the-fly adjustability for riders of different sizes and weights to improve ride comfort, but also allowing shorter riders the opportunity to feel much more confident and comfortable at low speed situations, at street lights, stop signs, and then also in the parking lot situation where they need that extra confidence to get their feet to the ground, but not sacrifice the ride quality of the bike when they get out on the road and are going to ride for a couple hundred miles between tanks. So how that is done is via the handlebar mounted control on the left hand side of the handlebars here, which operates the onboard compressor system. Basically, with the system aired up, it rides at normal ride height, giving you a nice comfortable ride that you can tune to your liking, but also if in the need of lowering it for more confidence, or just the cool effect as you pull into a parking lot and you want to put the bike down, push the bottom button on the handlebar mounted control, release the air, sets the bike nice and low. But as I stated, when you get ready to go out and ride, and you still want a comfortable ride and not sacrifice the ride quality, you're on the onboard compressor, clear the system back up, get it back up in the meaty part of the stroke, and you've got the best of both worlds. It allows you to have your cake and eat it too. We'll be out at Pig Trail Harley Davidson till 2 p.m. this afternoon. So if you're in the area and you want to come feel the difference, stop out and take a demo ride on this bad boy. We'll be here until 2. We'll see you soon.